happy here?
Me too.
You too? Because your truck?
Duh.
Simple. My happy place. Oh shit.
Your what?
Let's go, baby.
You said this is your what?
My happy place. I'm
I am. No, correction. I am your happy place.
I got two. You and this. And that.
And that.
Weak ass truck trying to do burnout. I don't know. They're a little hot. God. Do you approve? Do you approve, Ashes? Rosie. Rosie, do you approve? Rosie. Damn, you even got posse? Alright, so finally gonna get to install the nitrous kit. Got the solenoids, all the fittings, the nozzle, lines, main line, bottle brackets, wiring, switches. I'm not gonna be using that switch because got this switch for my model. This bracket for the switches. It's not really focused. Anyways, this bracket, which will go right in here. And these models, I'm never gonna use this gauge, but yeah, it goes right in here. And then what is neat about this panel, switch panel, I guess. Ow, my finger's stuck. Ow. It's that you can put different name tags, I guess, for like, I guess if you have like different things. And it comes with some funny ones. I'll show you some right here, or I guess I'll show you back here. If I can open the bag real quick, you can see, like, if you want to have the purge right there. So you got purge, lights. There's some funny ones like go baby go right there. There's that one. There's another funny one. Where is it? Where is it? This one, machine gun. I don't know if you can read it right there. And then it comes with like different switches. So like this one, it's got the light on it. I know it'll stay on. And then I think it's got 2 of those. Yeah, this one. And then it's got this one that like kicks back. I think it's like a momentary switch. Then it's got this one that goes either way. Or you can click it this way or the other way, which is pretty neat. Like it gives you an option. And then I got the purge kit, so I'll be using this one. So I think what I'm gonna do first is mount the bottle. And I was gonna mount it behind the, like on the bed, but I think I'm just gonna mount it behind the seat. The reason that is, so like if I'm driving it and then I don't know where I want to race somebody and I have the bottle closed, I can just reach back here and then turn it on instead of having to get off and then turn it off on the bed. So that'll come in handy. Or I could just get the bottle opener, but I mean, why not just put the bottle in here? Once that it's done, I'll run to the engine, mount the solenoids, all the lines and purge kit and all that, and then we can do the switch panel too. But this is probably gonna be a like more than one video, because I'm gonna try to take my time on it. So there'll probably be like 2 or 3 videos of it. That's your horsepower. That's like a 50 shot right here. Without doing anything. You just slap it on and it's like doing a 50 shot. Alright guys, I got the seat out. Just 4 bolts and it's out. I took it out that way I can mount. I'm not going to take this one out, because then if I take it out I'm not going to know if it's going to hit the bottle. So I'm going to leave it and mount it as it is. That way I'll know where to put it. What the hell is this? Huh. Anyways, but yeah, I guess I'm just gonna mark where to put the brackets, and then you can barely see anything. I'm gonna put some lights in here, that way I can see better. But I think I'm gonna start doing the things inside for tonight, since it's already getting dark and you can barely see anything. And then probably tomorrow during the day I'll start doing things under the hood. Alright guys, I got the bottle mounted. Well, it's not screwed in yet, but that's where it's gonna go. I'll still be able to put this one up, that way I can set somebody there. But I'm just gonna leave it there for tonight, because I forgot I don't have a drill to drill the holes down for the screws. So I'll do that tomorrow. But that's where it's gonna go. I'll be able to open it with my hand while I'm driving. And it doesn't really get on the way, so pretty good. I think what I'm gonna do next is figure out or mount the nitrous switch panel, because it's already dark outside. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this. I already took the little padding thing that's in there. I actually thought I was gonna have to drill the holes to put the little things right here, but I didn't notice that they already come. Like, that's pretty neat. So I think I'm gonna set up what switches I'm gonna do. Oh, there goes that. So I don't know if you can see. Yeah. So I'm just throwing to the side the ones. Look at this one. I don't know if y'all can read it. Ejector seat. That was pretty funny. But I'm not gonna use that one. Go baby go. I'm gonna use this one. This one's pretty funny. I think this is gonna be my like nitrous arming switch, which is you want to use the one with the red little thing. So, and then they line up with the little, they have a little line right here and the panel has a load line too. That way you don't put your switch all crooked. So that's pretty neat. Just push it in, and then it's like really nice. And then if you want to change it, you can just grab another one, pop it out, put another different name. I think I'll do the perch down here. Just pop it in. Then it's straight and everything. I think I'll do the nitros right here. And that's going to be an arm and switch as well. I will be getting a heater for the bottle, so I guess I'll put that one there. I feel like that one should be another switch than this one. I don't know. I can switch another. I can move the switches around later on once I wire everything down. So that's how it's gonna look. It'll look just like this. I like my lighting right here. I got my phone up here on the visor. But that's how it's gonna look right there. Which is pretty nice. But anyways, so today I am going to be working on the stuff under the hood, like mounting the solenoids, doing the plumbing, I guess, and then mounting up the perch kit. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it because it doesn't come with much tubing. This is all I get, and I kind of want it out the window, so I'm gonna have to put it like close to the window. So I'll figure that out, show you. So I took the screw. So I took the screw out of the intake. It just screws out. Like, it doesn't really hold anything. There was nothing in there. So I think that's where I'm gonna put the solenoid. Put them together. I wonder if the hood closed. Nah, yeah, it'll close. There's still, the intake's like at the same level. So I'm pretty sure it'll close. Let me show you a little closer. So, nitrous solenoid, fuel solenoid, fuel in. It'll go from this side of the solenoid to the fuel rail. It already has the shredder valve right there. So fuel will come out of here into the solenoid, and then from the solenoid to the fuel side right here. You can barely read it. And then nitrous, this side will go from the bottle. I'll have the line going through here, then inside the cab, and then nitrous will come into the solenoid and then out this side into the nitrous. And then I'm gonna figure out how to mount the lines better. You can see how it looks. I don't like that. And I think I'm gonna keep them there, and then I'll have the relays. I'm gonna mount the relays right here, wire them up, make it all nice, probably tape it around like that, or try to find something like this, and then just wire it up, make it all nice and neat. But it's coming along. I kind of messed with the solenoids a little bit, and then the lines. I think the lines look a lot better like this, doing the little circle thing. Then it'll just go right there. The wiring, it's gonna go all together right here. Put some tape around it or something. This one looks fine, just like that. And then I found where to mount the relays. Let's just use this wiring, and it has this little things right there, and then I just put it in there. But this is for the purge. and this is for the nitrous. The nitrous is being held down by that, I guess it's a ground to the hood or something, I don't know. I think it shouldn't matter if I put it there, but that one's, the nitrous is on the screw. This one, the purge, is gonna be on the little thing right here. It won't fall out. I'll move a little bit, but it won't fall. But I'll do the wiring later on, right here. Run the wiring through here, and then through here, all nice and neat. And then I guess the wiring's gonna go inside, so I'll probably run it through here and then inside right there. This is where I got my oil pressure line going through, and then it goes inside, or I could run it through there too. That's coming along. And then got the purge valve, all the parts, the switch panel. I got the bottle right there. Still gotta mount it up, but still got little things to do. Just wiring. I don't really want to film the wiring. That's kind of boring, and then it takes a lot of time. So I'll probably just end this little clip right here, and then do another video of the rest. I guess mount the bottle and all that stuff. I'll end this video right here.